finally letting my mom watch her 2 church things that she missed when she was sick. And I hear bits and pieces of it. I see people singing, and and I'm always like, the thing is, they're so happy, but they are happy with damning to eternal fire, damning to eternity and hellfire and brimstone anybody who doesn't think like they do. So, but it's a little too loud. I gotta lower it a little bit. I gotta tell her it's a little too loud. I'm gonna be taking Omar to get his nails cut, so I don't have much time.